Hello all, you are watching the Industrial Pharmacy Lab of RJSPM College of Pharmacy, Dudulgaon, Pune. In this video, we have demonstrated the various steps involved in formulating solid dosage form like tablet. The various steps involved in formulation of tablet includes size reduction by using multi-mill, size separation by using vibratory sifter, granulation by using rapid mixture granulator, tray dryer for drying of the granules, and finally formulation of tablet by using tablet punching machine.
Today I am here to demonstrate about multi-mill machine. Multi-mill is used in pharmaceutical industry for size reduction and granulation. It will involve variable forces. The rotating blade consists of both knife and sharp edges which validates screen size into smaller particles in controlled manner. The basic principle used is pulverization. Multi-mill consists of hopper inlet, milling chamber, discharge point. Machine works on the principle of dietary vibrations. The material is separated based on the particle sizes.
The addition of the material through the inlet, where it passes through the two sieves. First sieve and first outlet is for the porous particle. Second sieve and second outlet is for the fine particles. And the sieves can be changed according to the desired size. And at the bottom of the machine, it contains a motor which provides a vibration to the machine, and through which the rotating fluid passes through the screens and the desired particles is obtained from the outlet. The first step, we are going to add the material inside the microshifter. So, as you can see, in the first outlet there are porous particles. In the second outlet there are fine particles.
Rapid mixer granulator. This machine is used for preparing granules for the pharmaceutical manufacturing. It is also called as high shear granulator. There are various parts of this machine. This is mixing chamber for mixing of all ingredients. This vertical part is liquid binder solution inlet for pouring the binder solution in it. In this mixing chamber there are two blades present. First is impeller blade, which is used for homogeneous mixing of all ingredients. This is chopper blade, which is used to break down the larger particles into granules. Then this is discharge port, where ejection of prepared granule takes place into this collecting bag. Pneumatic system is present for cleaning the impeller and chopper valve by using air filtration. We are going to set the time for preparation of granules.
Hello everyone, my name is and I am from final year B.Pharm. Today I will introduce you about tray dryers. Tray dryers are used to evaporate or sublimate liquids or moisture from bulky solids, powders, components, other materials or liquids. Tray dryers are enclosed insulated chambers where trays are stacked in trolleys on top of each other. Heated material to be dried are inserted in the trays. Outside is the control panel, which is used for controlling the temperature and time. These are the granules we are going to dry in the tray dryer. Now 10 minutes have been completed, so we'll stop the motor, off the heater. As you can see, the granules are dried completely.
Hello everyone, I am from RJSPM College of Pharmacy. Today we are here to see how the tablet is punched with the help of tablet punching machine by the method of compression. As we have already seen how the granules are prepared and dried with the help of rapid mix granulator and tray dry. So now today we will see how this granules or powder is compressed and transformed into the tablet with a unique dosage form. So the machine that we are going to use here is the 8-station tablet punching machine. Tablet punching machine is used worldwide to prepare the medication as it is accurate and gives precise unit dosage form by maintaining the uniformity for the dosage form. Now we'll see what are the various parts of this tablet punching machine. So the first and basic part is the hopper. Now this hopper is used to feed the feeder. The feeder here is our granules and powder. The granules and powders are fed from this hopper. By this it comes down and from here it gets into the dies. Now here are the dies and punches. Dies are basically used where the feed is feeded and here it holds the feed. Now here are the upper punches and downside there are the lower punches. Upper punches and lower punches help to compress the tablet by giving pressure to it. Here is the cam mechanism. This cam mechanism helps to rotate the dies and punches in the uniform manner so that the upper punches and lower punches synchronize and the movement is up and down. After this, here is the control panel. Now this control panel has various operations which are useful for the tablet punching mechanism. Here is the emergency off. This emergency off is basically used that if there is any problem or if any emergency, we can off the process. Now here is the start and the main motor. After starting this main motor helps to maintain the speed of the dies and punches. Now here is the force feeder. Force feeder is basically used to maintain or decide what is the amount of feeder or the force of the feeder that gets into the dies and punches. This is the reset button. By pressing this reset button, we can decide or we can reset the whole process that we are going to decide. As we have seen what is the control panel and what are the operations. Now here there are, as you all can see, there are two knobs. So the knobs are for hardness and thickness detector. Hardness and thickness detector is basically that in what way or in what amount the hardness and thickness will be of our tablet that we are going to punch here. By rotating this knobs, we'll get to know or we can decide what is the hardness and thickness. So here is one chart that will decide the tablet thickness. By rotating the knob and by dimensions, we can decide what are the hardness and what are the thickness of it. After the tablet is punched from here, it slides or ejects from here and by this it gets into the holder. Now as it is a smooth run, as you all can see that it comes in a one go. So there is no chance of breaking of the tablet and it smoothly comes here and gets collected in our bag.
I Komal Narone. Now we are going to see the actual process of tablet punching. Now we will feed the feeder into the hopper.
Now the feeder is fed into the hopper. This hopper will pass the feeder into the process for the tablet compression. The feeder will get passed through this and it will go into the dies. As we have already fed the feeder into the hopper and passing down, it has got collected into the dies. Now we will start the actual process for compression. Now the dies and punches rotation will be managed by adjusting its speed. After adjusting the speed, we can see the dies are moving. Now as we have already fed, the granules will get compressed into the tablet. They will get punched and will immediately hop out. See, here is our tablet and after hopping out, it will get ejected and get collected into the collector bag. Now the tablet has already punched and will get ejected and collect into the bag. You can see this is one of the sample tablet prepared by the 8-station tablet punching machine now and got successfully ejected without breaking.
Hope you will find video very interesting and informative.